When I try to show you the way, all the things I never got to say, all the things I never got to say. Wanted to tell you about my dreams. I wanted to explain to you how I take what goes on in my head. Why I am the way I am. It's down the mind of a psychopath. You will never be free. Never, never again. You will begin to understand all the thoughts that I have in mind. Yeah. It's all I can say, but I feel it's times like this that thoughts are going to end up telling you all that you ever needed from me. It's like a path that's laid out before you. All you have to do is step in front of you. I never expected to be the one blind. I am blind. I cannot say what's in front of me. The world is so dark and scary. I made the choice to stay here and find out just what is going to happen when I return to the state of a mind and a monster inside. Release panic. System that made the fucking find you. I was all over your face and I'll show. Blood run down your face. I look into your eyes and say, you'll be the one wanted to go. Yeah, yeah. Come every part of me. Never wanted to think about life this way. I wanted to know what it was like to not be scared to awake. When the world is worse than my worst nightmare. The terror and the fear. Never do I want to open my eyes. The terror and the fear. I wanted to impart something to you. The world is the one you have done it. walk among the right ones, making sure that